What's going on, guys? We got two Uzis here, both for kit builds. This whole rear section here is an RTG parts repair section, and this front section is from the parts kit. So there's one of those D mills that has this big old section right here. The bolt is the original bolt, and it's been machined to basically the exact specs of a UC9 bolt or any other semi-auto Uzi, and it actually uses a UC9 firing pin and striker. Then the only other mod that's done is on this bottom piece, the trigger group right here, pistol grip thing, and you have to weld a little plate on here so the safety selector can't move forward. So these things are pretty fun. They actually don't have too much recoil. I like to build them like pistols, and when you build them like pistols, you know, you can have a nice short barrel. I have that old FBI or Secret Service length barrel with the threaded end on there, so we can put a suppressor on here. So they're fun like this, a lot easier to shoot with the brace. And we got this guy right here, same thing. It just has a adapter for a brace. It's got a J-Mac brace with a tail hook on the end. And then I have it threaded for a Silencer Co. ASR flash hider, so I can put my suppressor on here. It's tons of fun, stupid quiet. In fact, I'll show you guys how quiet they are. Got two in this magazine. You can see me on camera. Loud, loud. And then quiet, quiet. So these recoil a lot less than you'd expect they would for a blowback gun. And with the suppressor, there's really not too much gas to the face, so they're pretty comfortable to shoot. They're heavy as fuck though. They feel like bricks. Like, these legitimately feel like bricks. They weigh more than AKs weigh, and they're tiny. You know, so from that aspect, you know, it's kind of a, I wouldn't buy these for self-defense. You know, they're kind of dated. They're just fun. You know, and you feel like a fucking 80s villain when you play with them, and it's kind of neat. Anyway, you guys have a good one.